Hello mga tagapakinig, tagapanood. Ito na naman po si Attorney A. Erwin Bautista sa ating programang US Immigration Made Easy, at ang ating pong episode ay tungkol na naman po sa US Visa Question and Answer. So magbabasa tayo ng mga tanong doon sa kinalap natin ito doon sa East Coast sa US Visa Application Chat Group. May mga nagtatanong doon at meron din mga suggested responses, and then I will tell you kung ano yung ating response. Anyway, this will not be a legal advice but purely general information. Sometimes I'll give you a little bit of technique and strategy, but you need to consult with a lawyer, immigration lawyer, para sa inyong pansariling sitwasyon, para mas mabigyan kayo ng tamang legal advice. Anyway, I am Attorney A. Erwin Bautista. I have been practicing immigration law in the state of California, and our office is based in San Diego, and I've been practicing U.S. immigration law for the past 25 years. So let's go straight with our first question. And by the way, you can listen to our show sa Radyo Filipino America, at ang website po niyan ay radiophilam.com. Ang radyo po ay spelled R-A-D-Y-O. At we also have a Android app sa Google Play Store. So ngayon, pino-broadcast din tayo sa Flash TV. So panoorin nyo rin po tayo dyan. So let's go straight to our first question. Our first question for today is, who can petition a fiancé or fiancé? Ito yung basahin natin yung tanong. My nephew is a green card holder. He has a girlfriend of 16 years. He petitioned her as fiancé. However, he did not visit the Philippines during the pandemic, so the 2-year requirement na nag-meet sila ay wala. Now, next option ay magpakasal. Paano po ang process? Since my pending fiancé petition, pwede bang mag-file ng spousal visa? Okay, there is a flaw in this situation. Hindi pwedeng magpetisyon ang green card holder ng fiancé. US citizen lamang po ang makakapagpetisyon ng fiancé. So, ang green card holder, kailangan niya pakasalan muna niya yung kanyang fiancé at saka siya mag-file ng spousal petition. Ngayon, nabanggit dito yung hindi sila nakita for the past 2 years. So, yan kasi ang requirement para makapag-file ang isang fiancé ng petition. There must be a personal meeting within the last 2 years. So, pag nakita kayo ngayon, let's say February of this year, so you can file the petition up to February of the following 2 years. So, pag lumampas na doon, wala na, kailangan magkita ulit. Okay? So, yan po ang sagot sa tanong na yan, who can petition a fiancé. Remember, only a US citizen can petition a fiancé. Hindi po pwede ang green card holder. So, yung green card holder, kailangan mag-apply muna ng citizenship bago makapag-file ng fiancé visa.